Hello everyone. I wanted to update on my letter A, Alice in Wonderland books. This one is what I started with. I gutted the book and started working on it. If you notice, it's quite a bit bigger. So all the pages that I printed out were just going to be too small for it. I got the spine already and set, but I'm going to go ahead and set that aside and probably use full-size papers rather than printables. But I did have these 3 golden books, so I decided I'm going to work on those. This one, I went ahead and put the new spine on, and I thought that the mushrooms worked perfect for the theme, so I went ahead and put that on those. I cut them in the spine directly off of that one and then made a new one. This one, I went ahead and took the staples out. If you peel it back real gentle, you can get the staples out. Take the signature out, and it's going to give you a bigger spine on it. I'm still going to need to reinforce that, and I'll probably cover it with the same paper or the same fabric as well. But it does give you more. You could leave that if you had a newer book and it wasn't damaged. And this one, I was going to show, now these are all from 1950s, and some of the papers in them are very fragile. There was one where the paper, barely was intact. This one, it's kind of rough, but I was trying to look for the staple. It has 2 staples in, or you can try to get it out. Be really careful with this tool. But as I was trying to do it, it actually came completely apart. So I went ahead and took the whole thing apart. And decided, well, we're going to go ahead and make this similar to the first one, where we're going to add a spine. We're going to put the same fabric on the ends of all 3 of them. I'm going to kind of have a threesome all from the 1950s, and we're going to go with those as the Alice in Wonderland books.